Hello and welcome, everyone. Today we embark on a fascinating journey, a journey to discover the power within, a journey into the world of chakras. For centuries, these energy centers within us have been recognized by ancient traditions, influencing our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Think of your body as a beautiful, intricate tapestry woven with threads of energy. These threads converge at 7 powerful points, your chakras, each vibrating with a unique frequency, influencing different aspects of your being. This is about more than just ancient wisdom. It's about understanding yourself on a deeper level. And when you understand yourself, you can truly begin to heal and grow. So, let's dive in, shall we? Imagine, if you will, a vibrant red energy at the base of your spine. This is your root chakra, your foundation, your connection to the earth. It's about feeling safe, secure, grounded. When your root chakra is balanced, you feel strong, confident, able to withstand any storm. But when it's blocked, you might feel anxious, fearful, insecure. That's why we repeat the affirmation, I am safe and secure. Feel it resonating within you, anchoring you. And think about incorporating grounding foods like beets and red apples into your diet. Every step you take to nourish your root chakra is a step towards a stronger, more resilient you. Moving upward, we arrive at a swirling vortex of orange energy, your sacral chakra. This is your creative center, your emotional wellspring, your source of joy and pleasure. When this chakra is open, you are flowing with creative energy, embracing your sensuality and experiencing the world with passion. But a blocked sacral chakra can leave you feeling creatively stifled, emotionally drained, or even disconnected from your own desires. That's why we say, I embrace my creativity and passions. Feel the energy of those words and nourish your sacral chakra with vibrant foods like carrots and oranges. It's about igniting your inner fire and letting your passions flow. Now feel a radiant yellow sun glowing in your upper abdomen. This is your solar plexus chakra, your power center. It's about self-esteem, confidence, and taking control of your life. When balanced, you radiate confidence and have a strong sense of self. But when your solar plexus chakra is blocked, you might struggle with self-doubt, insecurities, or feeling powerless. Repeat after me, I am confident and in control of my life. Feel that strength rising within you. Foods like bananas and corn can also help energize this chakra, reminding you of your own inherent power. Let's travel to the center of your chest, to the heart chakra, a beautiful emerald green light radiating love and compassion. This is the center of your being, where you connect with yourself and others through love, forgiveness, and empathy. When your heart chakra is open, you experience the world with love, compassion, and deep connection. But if it's blocked, you might feel closed off, judgmental, or unable to forgive. Repeat the affirmation. I give and receive love freely. Feel your heart opening, expanding. And just as green leafy vegetables nourish the body, foods like spinach and green apples can help nourish and heal your heart chakra. Journey with me now to your throat, to the vibrant blue energy of the throat chakra. This is your communication center, your voice, your truth. When balanced, you express yourself with clarity, confidence, and authenticity. But a blocked throat chakra can leave you feeling unheard, afraid to speak your truth, or constantly misunderstood. That's why we use the affirmation. I express my truth with clarity and confidence. Feel the power of your voice, your truth. And nourish this chakra with blueberries and blackberries, their deep blue hues mirroring the energy of communication and expression. Now focus your attention on the space between your eyebrows, where a deep indigo light shines, your third eye chakra. This is the seat of your intuition, your inner wisdom, your ability to see beyond the surface. When your third eye is open, you trust your gut instincts, you see the bigger picture, and you're open to new possibilities. But when it's blocked, you might feel lost, indecisive, or disconnected from your intuition. Repeat after me. I trust my intuition and inner wisdom. Feel that sense of clarity, of inner knowing. Foods like eggplant and purple grapes, with their deep indigo hues, can also help to stimulate and balance your third eye chakra, connecting you to your inner wisdom. Finally, we reach the crown of your head, bathed in a radiant violet light, the crown chakra. This is your connection to the divine, to something greater than yourself, to a sense of peace and unity. When your crown chakra is open, you feel a sense of connection to everything around you, a sense of purpose and spiritual understanding. But when it's blocked, you might feel lost, alone, or disconnected from your spirituality. Repeat this affirmation. I am connected to the universe and my higher self. Feel that sense of peace, of oneness, washing over you. And consider incorporating foods like garlic and purple cabbage into your diet to help balance and nourish this chakra. As we conclude our journey through the chakras, remember that maintaining their balance is an ongoing process. It's like tending a beautiful garden. It requires care, attention, and love. You can cleanse your chakras through practices like meditation, yoga, or sound healing. Imagine those vibrations clearing any blockages, allowing your energy to flow freely. Incorporate healing foods, each a vibrant hue mirroring the colors of the chakras, into your diet. These foods aren't just sustenance for the body, they're nourishment for your energetic body. And remember the affirmations. Repeat them throughout your day. Write them down. Let them become your mantra, guiding you towards balance and inner harmony. Because when your chakras are balanced, you step into your full potential, a radiant being of light, love, and limitless possibility. Go forward and shine.